hey, if you want to get better sound quality on your SONY WF-C700N, first of all, you have to go to the Sony application, then go to the sound, and we've got two options to increase the sound quality. So first of all, we can find the sound equalizer. You can find some presets. Of course, I'm talking about the default presets right here, but also you can create your own. So by going to the custom and clicking on this icon, you can set this equalizer preset to your own preferences. The same with the bass boost. So that's the first method to change the sound quality, and the second one is right here on the Bluetooth connection quality. When you click on this arrow, you can switch from the stable connection to the sound quality. So when you click on this switcher and click OK, right now your earbuds will restart, and you have to wait until they will be connected back. Okay, that's some kind of the weird notification, but yeah, right now we just simply increase this sound quality by changing from the stable connection into the sound quality mode. And that's actually it. That's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.